Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'll show you how to quickly lock your MacBook screen. This is super useful if you're stepping away and want to keep your stuff private until you are back. So let's get right into it. The fastest way is with a shortcut command, that is just press Ctrl plus Command plus U on your keyboard and instantly your screen will lock and take you back to the login window. Simply press the Ctrl, Command and Q button on your keyboard. As you can see, it will directly take you to your login screen. Another way is from the menu bar in the top right corner. Simply click your profile or right here. When you are in here, simply click the Apple logo and scroll down and you will find the option called lock screen. You can use this method as well. As you can see, it automatically does it. If you don't want to use that as well, you can simply press your lock or touch ID sensor once and it will directly take you to the lock screen, as you can see. So whether you are in rush or just want some extra security, locking your screen is quick and very simple. And that's it for today's guys. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more MacBook tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.